What if your next affordable flagship didn't just compete with the best, but outsmarted them? Xiaomi is gearing up to do exactly that. Meet the upcoming Poco F8 Ultra, the global version of the Redmi K90 Pro, a phone that's shaping up to be one of the most powerful and camera-focused flagships of the year. Hot on the heels of the Xiaomi 17 series, the company is preparing to unleash another Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 device, this time with an emphasis on value. But make no mistake, this isn't your typical mid-tier phone. Leaks suggest that the Poco F8 Ultra could blur the line between affordable flagship and true flagship performance. According to reliable leaker Digital Chat Station, the Poco F8 Ultra will feature a Periscope telephoto camera. Yes, a Periscope lens on a Poco phone. That's a huge deal. It's rumored to use Samsung's ISOCELL JN5 50-megapixel 1.76-inch module, the same one seen on last year's F7 Ultra, but now enhanced with a true periscope system. Expect a much higher optical zoom than the old 2.5x limit, potentially rivaling high-end flagships that cost nearly twice as much. The main camera isn't holding back either. Leaks point to a 50-megapixel primary sensor with a massive 1.3-inch size, reportedly the Omnivision OVX9500. That's a serious upgrade in dynamic range and low-light performance. And for those ultra-wide scenic shots, the new OV50M ultra-wide delivers another 50 megapixels with a larger 1.28-inch sensor, replacing the smaller 32-megapixel one from before. Digital Chat Station also hints at a new trick: telephoto macro support. Imagine capturing sharp, detailed close-ups without ever moving closer to your subject. It's the kind of feature you'd expect from Xiaomi's Ultra series, not a Poco. With a next-gen chipset, a pro-grade camera system, and a periscope in an affordable package, the Poco F8 Ultra could redefine what we call a budget flagship. It's expected to debut globally in October 2025, and if the leaks are accurate, it might just be the sleeper hit of the year.